Introduce yourself.
My name is Mohammad Ranu Baja. I am studying second class. I am studying in Timragobale. My father's name is Baba Bagardin. My mother's name is Semi. I have only one brother. I have only one sister. Now we will discuss about our helpers. Number one. He catches fish. He fisherman. Number two. He washes clothes. He washes back. Number three.
Very good, Chand Basha. Give big clap to Chand Basha. Excellent, Nana.